Today we're making sugar snap pea stir fry. This easy stir fry takes only 10 minutes to make. It's a delicious side dish alongside fried rice or with several other vegetable side dishes. I know you're gonna love it. A lot of sugar snap peas sold in stores are stringless, or they have such small strings that you don't even need to worry about removing the strings from them. But if you get them at the farmer's market, you might just want to snap the top and pull off that string just for a little easier eating. So you'll see the sugar snap pea with the stem on it. Break it there and give it a pull, and it comes right off like a zipper. That's all you have to do. So you start by putting avocado oil into your skillet. Then add 2 cloves of minced garlic. And then give that a stir until that's nice and fragrant and softened. Then we'll move on to the sauce. Start with tamari. This is Japanese soy sauce. I really like the flavor. Oftentimes it's gluten-free, so that's a plus. And it has wonderful umami and saltiness. But if you wanted, you can use any kind of soy sauce or soy sauce alternative that you prefer. Next, we'll add rice vinegar. It's a nice mild vinegar, lightly sweet and bright. If you don't have it, it can be replaced with white wine vinegar. Next, we're gonna add toasted sesame oil. That's made with toasted sesame seeds, and it adds wonderful nuttiness to a dish. You don't wanna cook with toasted sesame oil because it has a low smoke point. However, if you're adding it later in cooking or in a dressing, it just adds a great taste that makes it come to life. Finally, a little bit of maple syrup for sweetness, or if you'd prefer, agave syrup. Next, we'll add those sugar snap peas. Cook them for a few minutes so they get nice and bright green and come to life. Okay, now it's time to add in our sauce. Put that into the pan and stir to evenly coat everything. At this point, it's good to go ahead and give your sugar snap pea stir fry a taste. See if you want to add a pinch of salt or a dash or 2 of tamari. I usually do. Finally, we'll garnish with a little bit of sesame seeds. They add a great contrast of color. And that's all there is to it. Serve your sugar snap pea stir fry alongside fried rice or a sandwich. It's so easy to make and it has terrific flavor. I know you're gonna love it. You can find the complete recipe at kadriskitchen.com. Now I'm gonna take a bite. Oh, listen to that crunch.